Congratulations, Marin. You did an amazing job. How do you feel today after winning your third title here after 3 years, actually?
Yes, I feel extremely proud as today I think I played the best match during the week and the best match maybe in my last year season and this season. So really excited about that and looking forward for my next tournaments and was very glad that we had a lot of crowd today and yesterday as well. So just enjoyed every moment of the final.
Yeah. Today it's everything in number 3 and number 9 because now today you're officially number 9 in the world and this is your 9th career title, right?
Well, I didn't know about for the rankings. We'll see for that on the Monday. But for here, it is my third title, and just it shows that how much I enjoy to play at home. I also won in Umag last year, and winning over here back to back. Winning here again in Zagreb means a lot to me, and just to promote also Croatian tennis a little bit to. Push a little bit the other kids to play. I think it's just an amazing feeling.
Yeah, are you satisfied with the crowd here and how much did it help to you?
Really satisfied. I think everybody from the tournament was very excited and about the week, and in the end it showed that there was big numbers of people coming here, and we had great matches this year. There were a lot of good guys, good foreigners who played here in Zagreb, and I think it attracted a lot of people. So definitely I think tournament was fabulous this year, and just I hope it's going to be even better next year.
Besides amazing tennis that you played this week, what are your other goals for the rest of the season?
Well, now I'm heading to US and I'm gonna play over there 4 tournaments, which are two of them are Masters 1000 in Miami and Indian Wells, and just hoping I can play well over there with top guys, and it's gonna be a great tournament. So I think this was the great preparation for the rest of the year, and it is a little bit direction for me and just showing me that I can play well, and I hope I can push with my good form up and up.
If everything will be okay and you will be number 9 tomorrow, do you have any other goals, for example, becoming even more high in the ranking this season?
Well, definitely. I mean, as I was saying also in the end of the last season and beginning of this season, that I want to improve on my game and just to be able to compete with the best guys. I don't mind if I'm ranked number 9, 12, or 14 or 17, as long as I'm playing really well and as long as I'm ready to challenge the best guys.
And the most important thing, how will you celebrate your victory today? Are you planning something with the family, with friends?
Well, definitely with my friends and the close ones. There are many over here, so they support me during all week. And we're gonna, of course, celebrate a little bit. It was a tense week. I had a few tough matches, and definitely we need to relax a bit.
Congratulations and good luck in the rest of the season.
Thank you.